Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Today we will look into the rows only. Maybe today we will have like around 14-minute session because I like little bit of health issue I am having. We will have that. No problem. In the next slide to manage the rows, we will go to the setup. User row. First is manage users. In this particular window you can manage users and in this you can manage roles. First you will go to the manage roles. These are the standard roles in the next slide. And where you can see the customize. These are the standard and where you can see the added. These rows. These are the new ones. Yes, these are the new ones. Like customer, particular customer, and each role has some center type. Basically, center type is, you can say, a category or basically a parameters on which role a certain role is created. There are only two rows which has the weight plus weight. Not only two, only one. Administrator role is something which is only created on the center type classic center. There is one or more on weight. Let me check. These centers are already created for you. The sales center account, yes, 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 yes. These are the center ones. We can't do anything in the center type. Oh, classic centers are there. Accounting center is there. And like there are some standard roles for each type of categories. Like for the project manager, there is a project center and there are some standard roles for this. You can say for the project management role or for the like warehouse manager, vendor center. Is there also for the salesperson? You can see sales administrator, sales manager, salesperson. And let's say if I sales vice president, if I give myself another role, Role is given from the employee only. You have to add it to employee. Oh, we go to the employee and add a role. As you can see, I'm having some rows. I will give a salesperson roles also. Now you can see the salesperson is also visible. I'm going to be this salesperson role. I think it will be similar to the sales manager only. What a salesperson can visible and standard. Its leads are there. Its report leads from 10 opportunities are there. These change according to your role. Yes, correctly. This tab change according to others. And what we can have, the like see permissions will be normal only, but I can have the tabs according to my like. What you can say as per the administrator role also. What we have in the administrator, we see the list transactions. Then under list transaction, we will see this customers like transactions or opportunities. But here we are getting the tab here. But under that, either we get the list or either we get the transaction and we getting the reports also. I can change the look here from going into the home, set preferences. Share preference in appearance. Use classic interface. Interface will become like classic center. Only the interface will become like that. But now you can see, oh, now it's a regular, but permissions will be there only related to sales. I'll try this one. I'll try the rows. And just that. I mean, we are in sales. Maybe I can ask this question, what's the difference between like a lead and an opportunity? Basically, lead is basically in system created as in like a master report. If I go to lead and relationship lead, let's put I can enter any random and lead qualified or qualified. qualify. And without any other detail, I can America. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.